Welcome to Shurijo Castle, the majestic heart of Okinawa's Ryukyu heritage. Once the royal palace of the Ryukyu Kingdom, this cultural treasure stands as a powerful symbol of Okinawa's resilience, pride, and rich history. Perched on a hill in Naha, Shurijo was more than a fortress. It was a political center, a sacred site, and a fusion point between Japanese, Chinese, and Southeast Asian influences. Although tragically destroyed multiple times, most recently by a fire in 2019, the spirit of Shurijo continues to rise, stronger each time, supported by deep cultural reverence and international restoration efforts. As you walk through the winding stone paths of the castle grounds, each step takes you deeper into history. These routes, some gently sloped and others lined with centuries-old walls, lead visitors to elevated viewpoints atop the outer castle walls. From here, the panoramic view of Naha city stretches all the way to the sea, just as it once did for the Ryukyu kings. The soft curves of the castle's layout reflect ancient Chinese geomancy, while the stonework beneath your feet has witnessed hundreds of years of tradition, change, and survival. At the heart of the site, you'll notice a large temporary structure, a protective shed built to shield the ongoing reconstruction of the main hall. This towering steel frame may seem modern, but within it lies the careful revival of ancient craftsmanship. Visitors can walk around and peek through viewing platforms to observe the meticulous work inside, where engineers, carpenters, and historians collaborate to restore what was lost. The shed itself stands as a quiet promise that even in the face of destruction, the legacy of Shurijo endures. These structures, though often overshadowed by the grandeur of the main hall, hold immense cultural and spiritual significance. Traditional Okinawan woodworking techniques are being revived to bring them back to life, using materials sourced with historical accuracy. Each beam, each joint, each roof tile is placed with care, a tribute to the original artisans and to the sacred essence these shrines embody. The main hall of Shurijo Castle, known as the Seiden, is being rebuilt with incredible attention to historical detail. The architecture reflects a unique blend of Japanese and Chinese styles, featuring bright red lacquered wood, sweeping tiled roofs, and intricate carvings that represent the Ryukyuan aesthetic. Craftsmen are using traditional joinery techniques without nails, just as it was done centuries ago. The recreation process involves old photographs, blueprints, charred remains from the fire, and even interviews with past artisans, all to ensure that the new structure is not just a replica, but a living continuation of the Ryukyuan legacy. Getting to Shurijo Castle from Naha Airport is quick and easy. By car or taxi, the trip takes around 25 minutes, heading northeast through the city. You can also take the Yui Rail monorail from Naha Airport Station to Shuri Station, the last stop. From there, it's about a 10 to 15 minute walk uphill to the castle grounds. Public buses are also available and well connected, making Shurijo a convenient and essential stop for anyone exploring Okinawa. Shurijo Castle is more than a historical site, it is the soul of Okinawa. It stands as a place where stories of royalty, resilience, and cultural pride come alive with every stone and every beam. As the restoration continues, Shurijo invites all of us to witness not just its rebirth, but the enduring power of heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more cultural explorations across Japan. Until next time, stay curious and travel with heart.